How to maintain nonprofit tax-exempt status with Form 990. Are you part of a nonprofit organization and wondering how to keep your tax-exempt status? You're not alone. Many nonprofits face this challenge. One key to maintaining that status is filing the right version of Internal Revenue Service Form 990 each year. This form is essential as it provides a detailed overview of your organization's activities, governance, and financial health. Let's break down the steps to ensure you stay compliant. First, you need to determine which version of Form 990 your organization should file. If your organization has gross receipts of $200,000 or more, or total assets of $500,000 or more, you must file the full Form 990. If your gross receipts are less than $200,000 and your assets are under $500,000, you can file Form 990 as, which is a shorter version. For very small organizations with gross receipts normally $50,000 or less, you can file Form 990N, also known as the postcard. Some organizations, like churches, do not need to file Form 990 at all. Next, it is important to file your Form 990 annually and electronically. The deadline for filing is the 15th day of the 5th month after your fiscal year ends. For example, if your fiscal year ends on December 31st, your form is due by May 15th. Since July 1st, 2019, all filings must be done electronically. When filling out the form, make sure to provide complete and accurate information. You will need to describe your nonprofit's mission and significant activities for the year. Financial details are also crucial, including revenues, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Additionally, you must disclose governance details, such as the names of your officers, directors, and key employees, along with their compensation. Be careful with compensation. Excessive amounts can jeopardize your tax-exempt status. Another important aspect is demonstrating that your organization continues to qualify for tax-exempt status. You must show that your activities align with your exempt purpose and that you are not engaging in any prohibited activities. The form includes sections where you can report your accomplishments and how your organization furthers its exempt mission. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is failing to file. If you do not file Form 990 for 3 consecutive years, the Internal Revenue Service will automatically revoke your tax-exempt status. Therefore, timely and consistent filing is essential to avoid penalties or loss of exemption. If your nonprofit has unrelated business income, you will also need to file Form 990T to report and pay tax on that income. Maintaining your tax-exempt status through proper filing of Form 990 is not just a legal requirement. It also builds trust with the public. Accurate reporting shows accountability to donors and grantmakers, supporting your organization's credibility. Establishing internal processes to gather necessary information throughout the year can help ensure timely and accurate filing. Consulting with tax professionals or legal advisors who understand nonprofit compliance can also help you avoid mistakes that could threaten your tax-exempt status.